Good afternoon, children. Today we will start our new work, that is still life. For that work we need a drawing book, scale, pencil, eraser and a black gel pen. You have to take all these things and you have to draw a border as well as the 3 centimeter box. All these things you have to do in a new page and keep ready for today's work. Write down today's date here and write down the topic still life. Okay, after that, children, you have to observe the drawing, how I am doing the drawing. According to that, you should start to do the drawing. First, I will do the light drawing with a pencil. When I will do that lines with a black pen darkly, that time you start to do the drawing, children. For today's still life work, we are doing some shapes like a rectangular, triangle, cylinder, circle, like that. Okay, for that we are doing a shape. Okay, to do that, we are doing a square here. Just observe the drawing, then you start to do the work, children. From which box I will start to do the drawing now, you have to see that. Okay, use the scale. This is the one box. Then we are doing a triangle bar here. this, you have to do some geometrical shapes. Okay, children. For this, I will show how to do the shading. Before doing shading, you have to do the border also with a black outline. Then erase all the pencil lines. See children, when we rub all the pencil lines, our work will look like this. Here we are doing a light tone, middle tone and a dark tone. First I will show where we should do the light tone and I will tell you where we should do the dark tone. See children, this thing will be the front. This is the back. That time this thing's shade we can see at the back of ear. For that time we have to do here dark tone. Okay, and this circle shade we have to see on this box. That time here some little part we have to do the dark tone. I will show in the work. You have to observe and you have to do same like that children. See children, here I did the middle tone. Now we have to do the dark tone for this here background. Because of this box shade we have to show here. For that reason what we have to do, I will show here. Just observe that and according to that you have to do the shade. All of you know how to do the zigzag line. Like this you have to show the dark tone of the box. Okay, now here also we have to do the middle tone. Here upper surface you have to do a dry shade like this lightly. Then come to near the cylinder. Do the dry shading like this. See children, once when we complete our drawing, our work will look like this. But I want to tell you something. When we see the objects like this, that time according to the light, we can see the shading of these objects at the down. Sometimes the light will focus on the directly. That time we are not seeing any shade the back or front of that object. If we see, if the light rays will come from the right side, that time the object shade we can see at the left side of the object. If the shade will come from the left side, the light will come from the left side, that time we can see the shading in the right side. Okay, here that one also I will show here. Think that the light rays, it will comes from the left side. That time the object shade we can see at the down like this at the right side of the object like this. Like this, that object shading we can see at the right side of the objects. Okay children, see here. See, observe once you are drawing. Okay, then start to do the work. You have to do this work in a plain drawing book. Once when you complete your work, please send to my number. Okay children, thank you.